Now, these are all families created by me, and you can go ahead and test out these families as well and check how they are built. Simply click on the family, click on edit family here. And if you go to your floor plan, you can see that this is a very advanced looking family. And if you'd like to learn how to create such families, I'll create a separate family course where I'll explain how I've built each of these families from scratch. Now, what's interesting is you can also, for example, hide left or right here. So if you select this family, you can hide, let's say, the left sofa. So you can click on left and then you can see that the left sofas get hidden. So now there's more circulation space here from our floor in our floor plan. There's a lot of, for example, if you like to see the cooktop, you can switch on the cooktop here. So you have cooktop options. So you can notice I've placed the cooktop and then I can move my sink and cooktop as per the requirement or floor plan. So these are very useful families when it comes to placing furniture pretty fast, and especially if you're in university and if you'd like to show your floor plans quickly, I'm sure these templates in my project library is going to help you guys a lot. And if you're part of this course, you can use it for free. No worries. All right, so I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.